Hello everybody, this is Cage36 Guy here. In an effort to play a little bit of catch up, I'm going to be combining the DC and Maryland monthlies for this month into one video, because I'm just now getting around to recording the DC monthly off the DVR and Maryland test of the day. So, we'll start with DC, which is a fail. Not as bad as November, but TOP forgot audio. Well, actually, they didn't forget audio. They just had it after the EOMs. And so it's just going to be headers and attention and EOMs, and that's pretty much it for DC's test. We're going to start with WRC. I recorded them with the knowledge that they had sped up their scroll, and sure enough, they did. So here is the WRC relay of DC. Up next, we have WETA.
Farmer Bear! Farmer Bear!
Now for WTTG.
Bad boys pop right here. I'm gonna look like a Pillsbury Doughboy. Give it up for my music calls. Let's do it. Marco! He ain't say that. Sherry must have gotten him. All right. That's all right. Marco's not here, but I know who is here. Who's here? My wife is here. And I would, I would say she's stalking me, but she said it's not stalking.
Lastly for DC, we have WJLA, who actually manually relayed for once. Correctly, without running a weekly.
The Senate will begin the votes on the voting rights reform bill, which hinges on challenging filibuster, something that Democratic Senators Sinema and Manchin.
Lastly, we have Maryland off of WDVM, and from a quick glance, it appears as if we're going to have some audio this month, so let's check it out.
She feels really confident in herself, and we're so happy that we could be a part of that journey with her.
And I know Tina is a working mom, and we talked a little bit about Tina's story before. Really brought back a sense of confidence.
No one works harder than a working mom. My office is mostly ladies, and they work hard, giving everything they got at work. And what do when they go home? They just go right into taking care of.
This is the Maryland Emergency Management Agency with the coordinated test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters are testing equipment used to warn you during an emergency. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Her having a loving family that she's really given a lot to. This was just a wonderful celebration.
Alright, that'll do it for this video. Thank you for watching.
Her family